What's up guys, this is Soldier Gaming here, and today this is a channel update, so sit back, relax and enjoy the show. For today, for a couple of weeks I'll be doing shout outs. So if you comment below, if you want a shout out, put your name and I'll put you into a spinner where it'll pick your name out and you'll get a shout out. The next shout out will either be today or tomorrow, so just stay tuned. I'll probably tag you in it. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is all done. I'm going out.